Hello, how are you? I figured I'd do a quick video. I have this Roland drum machine that I just picked up. And the first thing it said was low battery. So I said, well, how am I going to replace this battery? So, turn it on. Let's power it up. And you're going to see what it says. Draws a little drum kit. Nice, looks good. Backing up, initialize. Don't know what that is. Exit. I can't even get out of it. Then all of a sudden, it's backing up. I guess you hit enter. Enter. Battery low. Okay, now you see I got this battery low message. All right. Now, I'm actually going to do this with it plugged in because I'm scared that I'm going to lose the memory in here. Now, I loosened the screws. There's 2 screws on this side, 2 screws on this side, 1 in the back. Now, I tried lifting it up. You cannot lift it up. It locks in the cover like you wouldn't believe. You actually have to slide it back. You got to slide it back. That's how the cover comes off. Now, this is what the inside of it looks like. Okay, the battery was a 2032. Can you see the battery right here? Now, as you can see, it's laying, I don't know what the red mark is, whether that means that it was never changed originally. I don't know if they come like that, but you can see it goes face down. So the positive is forward. Now, what you do is you slide this back, this kind of release mechanism. Slide it back, flip it up, comes out. That's it. That's simple. Put the new one in, same way. Push it in, slide it back, it's back up. Now, the reason I did it with it plugged in, it still says battery low. Now, let's turn it off and on again and see what it does. I hope this works, you know, unless it was a total another issue. There it goes. It did not go to battery low. Okay, problem solved. All right, so that's what you got to do if you have that battery low thing. I happen to do it with it plugged in only because I was scared. I didn't know if I remove that battery, am I going to lose the factory sounds? Probably not, but maybe. So you just put the cover on now. I don't have to bore you. Look at this little safety here. I don't want to bore you with all of the other stuff with this cover. I mean, we're putting it back on. I don't have to show you where all the screws go. You can figure that out. But it pretty much just slides in place. Get it in. Then you slide it back a little up. A little up more. Lock it in. It goes under the cover. And that's it. Done. I'm done. All right, there's the screws over there. I can put them in. I don't have to show you that. But the battery was a 2032. Replaced. All right. I hope that helped anybody trying to decide what to do with that, but that's how I did it. It was very simple. Do it yourself.